Hi guys, I'm Ederlyn Cantua. So for today's video, I'm going to describe the benefits and risks of social commerce to companies. So please keep on watching in 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Social commerce refers to the delivery of electronic commerce activities and transactions through social computing. Ang social commerce ay ang pagdi-deliver ng mga commerce activity gamit ang social computing like online or net. Ganun po yung service na ginagawa nila. Benefits of social commerce to customers include the following: better and faster vendors, response to complaints, customers can assist other customers, customers' expectation can be met more fully and quickly, customers can easily search, link, chat, and buy while staying in the social network page. Yung sa benefits po, para sa customer, is mas mapapadali yung pag-aasikaso ng mga vendors sa kanila. Ma-assist sila, tapos mapapaliwanag din sa kanila ng maayos about dun sa product na gusto nila. At kung nakulangan naman sila dun sa information na product, may mga link na in-order yung mga vendors sa net page. Lahat ng info is nandun na. Madali na lang yung response kasi through online lang din naman tayo. Mas searchable kumbaga. Benefits of social commerce to vendors include the following: can test new products and ideas quickly and expensively, learn much about their customers, identify problems quickly and alleviate anger, learn from customers' experiences with rapid feedback, increase sales when customers discuss products and positively on social networking site, create better marketing campaigns, get free advertising through social marketing, identify influential brand advocates and reward them. Yung benefits naman po para sa mga vendors is matitest nila yung product, so nagkakaroon sila ng mga idea dun sa product na iyon. At dahil nga sa online or net lang ang service, mas mapapadali yung mga pag-response ng mga customers nila. So malalaman nila yung good or bad feedback. Then magkakaroon sila ng mga idea ulit kung ano yung problem sa product nila. Kaya mas mapapabilis din yung mga pagre-resolve sa problem ng product na iyon. So guys, kapag mag-order tayo sa online, i-make sure natin kung maganda ba yung feedback. Para naman kapag nandiyan na yung order natin or yung product is hindi natin pagsisihan. Mas maganda na yung in-order natin, wala tayong pagsisisihan sa huli. Yun lang. Risks of social computing include information security concerns, invasion of privacy, violation of intellectual property, and copyright, employees' reluctance to participate, data leakage of personal information or corporate strategic information, poor or biased quality or users-generated content, cyberbullying or cyberstalking, and employees' harassment. Risk naman po is dahil nga sa social media or online yung service, pwedeng ma-copyright or ma-hack. Pwede ka din ma-cyberbully ng mga customer mo or ma-harass tapos kakulangan ng mga empleyado sa product. Kasi kahit sino pwedeng mag-avail sa networking service nyo. So, dapat iwasan nyo yung mga risks na pwedeng mangyari. So, guys, dyan nagtatapos ang ating topic, the benefits and risks of social commerce to companies. And I hope meron kayong natutunan ngayong araw na ito. And don't forget to like and share and subscribe and click the notification bell para updated ka sa ating mga video. Thank you for watching. Bye guys!